I don't know what it is, man, but I only did one set so far, and I swear my legs feel like I've been here forever. That's what happens when you start switching up your times and going to the gym. I was usually going to the gym around at nighttime, like 7 at night. Now I'm in this motherfucker 5 in the morning, so that's probably what's wrong. But I literally do probably about 4 or 5 sets of leg extensions until I get that real pump. You know, we get to go straight into leg presses or some squats, depending on how my knee's feeling. And then I see that big old scar in front of my knee from the ACL surgery, so however my knee working that day, that's how we working. We definitely still get that work in. I don't even count the reps, bro. I go to the motherfucking burn. Like shaking, I'm just dripping.
Hey guys, and the key to leg extensions is literally get as many reps as possible, and of course doing some progressive overload when doing your leg extensions. That's the only thing that I've been doing over the last 10 years of me lifting weights. I'm not gonna lie, the first 4 or 5 years I really didn't prioritize legs as much as I should have, but yeah, now we are here today 10 years later regretting that. Let me get straight to some back squats, kind of warming up the knees till we get up to our working set of 315.
Yo, I remember there was a time my working sets was 315. After a move later over a couple states and a long, transition to a new place, I think my working sets now is like sitting around 275, about 275, but I'm just working my way up. Got the knee sleeves ready just in case, protecting the knees, but got a good pump so far. Good little pump. Give y'all a close up. We get that full pump after the leg press. So let's go ahead and get into it, man. Enough talking. It's really light, bro. I'm telling you, this shit was my warm up. Fuck.
And you guys can see, of course, we gotta throw on the knee sleeves. Anytime I go over 300 pounds with anything, I'm throwing on either a belt or some knee sleeves to protect my knees. I ain't going outside. But again, here we go, 315 working sets. We'll do this for like 2 or 3 sets, just trying to get my leg strength back. You guys can see I'm not struggling, but I can feel it. I definitely feel it. It's starting to bite, you know what I'm saying? But 315 is my working set. I want to get back to that, and eventually work up to have 4 or 5 being my working sets. 4 or 5 back squat is just like that staple. Like everybody wants a back squat 4 or 5. That's just the goal, man. And here we got some swing squats. I do this almost every single leg session, man. Like I love this machine right here, and I always feel it best when I kind of take it slow going back up, pressing the weight, and I feel like it gives me a little bit more extra pump in my quads. And that's just something that I have seen that has worked for me. But if you guys do it differently, hey, by all means. And again, I had to give you guys a little close up. This 90 pounds, it looks like it's light, but it's not light. It ain't light at all, man. It was definitely biting. But again, I love swing squats. Definitely focus on the quads a lot.
Yo, these pendulums humbling me, bro. I gotta keep that intensity up because I've been trying to pump my legs, get some more, get that blood flow. So try to do as many quad movements as possible. My hamstrings, I need to focus on them, but I have a whole separate hamstring day. I do legs like 3-4 times a week. Just trying to put that mass in there and hold it. So we'll see how the next couple weeks look on this new leg program that I'm in. But The blood flow's good. And it's pretty much a lot of volume for the legs, so we're working. But these pendulums, I swear I was sitting there for like 5 minutes. I know I shouldn't have, but I was smoked. So finish these up, and then I'm gonna go and do some Bulgarian split squats. So let's get it, man. Bulgarian split squat, drop set. Already did one. I had to rest it for like, I ain't gonna lie, like at least 5 minutes. Shit hurts, bro. I've never do 3 full sets. I be trying, bro, but it sound just like it sound. Well, you do it just like it sound. So you go double dumbbells, you drop the outside one, just do the inside dumbbells 7 times. So 7, 7, 7. 7 with both dumbbells, 7 with the one, and 7 by itself. Oh my God. Bro, that shit is humbling. Watch this humble me, bro. Like I said in the beginning, I haven't been able to do more than 2 sets of that drop set. 7, 7, 7, triple sevens, whatever you want to call it. But bro, I swear, fly, I can't stand up. I was laying down for the longest. That's that intensity I was talking about, man. You gotta train with intensity. If not, you ain't get nothing out of it. I know that Apple Watches ain't accurate and all the smart watches to calculate calories, but let's give y'all a little, food for thought. Check out the watch. I don't know if it's focusing, but we're putting our work in, man. Typically, I don't do cardio during leg day because I always feel like this and I already burned mad calories, and I'm fasted right now, so I ain't eat nothing. It's 7 in the morning, so I'm content with my workout. But man, try that 777 Bulgarian split squats. And please tell me how you feel afterwards. I swear I can't move, bro. That's good though. Solid workout. A lot of volume to our quads. Your quads too, because you should be following along. But oh my God. Quick quad check. Post workout. Y'all see. Got some nice volume in them guys. That's my weak leg, my surgery leg, as y'all can see, but we pumping them things out. We're trying to get that volume in there. So everything going good so far. Give it about another couple weeks on this program. And yeah, I'll share it afterwards, show y'all the results, but of course I'm gonna bring y'all along the way. All right, guys, so I pretty much ended the leg day for that day, and I'm kind of mixing all my content around, trying to figure out how to end some of the videos. I'm new to this, I'm saying, I ain't true to it yet, but we are going to definitely get a rhythm down, schedule going, and seeing how many videos throughout the week I'm going to drop. But I am going to kind of shift the content a little bit. You guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. I want to go a little bit deep, a little bit deeper into what I'm actually trying to do, what I'm trying to push. So you guys are going to see some content and y'all gonna be like, yo, what is this? For all my people that's just out here supporting, and for all my new supporters on the channel, we all just trying to get better each day. We gotta take one day at a time, of course, but we are definitely trying to get better, stronger, leaner, all that good stuff, man. But if you guys are new here, again, sub up, hit the notification bell. Make sure you guys run them likes up. Every single like counts, especially with this being new content. And hey, we start from the ground up, you feel me? And I do not mind that. I've done it before, done it plenty of times in my life, and I don't care. But once you following, you know, your passion, everything kind of follows suit. So we are in for a long journey. We in for the long haul. Again, man, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. For any content you guys do want to see, drop it down below. If you got any questions, comments, any type of video suggestions, please let me know. But you guys are gonna see some different content getting pushed out, and I just gotta figure out the rhythm and the consistency of that type of content. But more to come. You guys will see. But I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. All that's being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.